So now that the new Justice League movie is out, and not going to lie, it was disappointing, but one of the highlights of the film was Ezra Miller's Flash. In the movie it looks like he only got his powers 7 minutes ago and runs like he was running to the Walmart line on Black Friday. Yet his performance was impressive, which is okay I guess because most of the movie he is a blur. So today we are going to find out how fast the Flash really is, obviously spoiler alert. Plus math involved. So there is one scene where Wonder Woman is trying to get hold of her sword as she goes down with the Parademon and Steppenwolf right behind her. Everything freezes when the Flash is in super speed mode. The whole slow-mo lasts about 25 seconds. Also he loops around the tunnel many times before he is at the level of Wonder Woman, yet his first 2 laps seem to be the fastest, so that counts as his top speed. He goes around for the first 3.77 seconds in his perspective of time. This means crap though, since it is in slow-mo. But we don't know the correct measurements of the tunnel, so I'm going to use scaling this. A shot of Wonder Woman before she begins to fall does this. The length of the sides to ecover is 2.2 times the length of Batman's Nightcrawler. Ben Affleck is 6'4", so measuring Batman's upper body in the scene to the whole machine tells us that the Nightcrawler is around 2.09 meters tall by 6.99 meters long. Putting it all together tells us that the length of the bridge that connects the tunnel is 15.38 meters. But take into account the tunnel is a circle, meaning with the diameter and circumference the Flash would have been moving at 12.81 meters a second, 28.66 miles per hour. But remember, that is in super slow motion, basically how we see him in his vision. It looks like the teacher told everybody they could leave school early. To find out how much time is dilated by, we need to know how much time is actually passing in real time. That is very hard to do. Everything in the tunnel scene is frozen. Yet they are not actually frozen, it is the camera movement that makes it look like that. But when the camera stops we see how fast Diana's sword is moving. Tracking it through a fancy-pantsy software, the way the Flash sees in his perspective is falling at 0.065 meters squared. Newton's law of gravity equal everything on Earth, no matter how much it weighs it will fall at the same rate. Unless it is like paper or a parachute or a feather. You get the point. Anyways, Diana's sword is falling at 9.81 meters per second square, so everything we see in the scene is 150 times slower than what everyone sees, putting the Flash a teensy weensy bit over Mach 5.6. Not the top speed. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will make another good day. Or might.